Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry I'm talking kind of quiet, but as you guys can see, I am up here at the library right now, and I told you guys yesterday I would do a video explaining what I'm doing and the reason why I posted that selfie that says workflow. That is because the whole ordeal with that is where I got the K-TAP, which is basically child support. And where I got child support on my ex for Shaylin. And when Shaylin is turning a year old, I have to do the Kentucky work program, which is basically the only thing I got to do is come up here to the library and put 20 hours a week in on working on my GED. And I didn't have to, but I went yesterday and bought a binder, folder, pencils, pens, stuff like that for me to, have to use, because on my other ones I gotta get Fido. So, and basically, so as you guys can see, it's just, basically helping me get my GED so I can get a real job. And I also bought a planner the other day just for this, so I can write down like the days I'm supposed to go to work, doctor's appointments and stuff like that, so I can have it with me at all times and not be like, oh, I think next Tuesday I got a doctor's appointment and then I don't. So, and this is papers and stuff that I got yesterday. So basically this is my schedule, and you guys can see I gotta come in every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 8:30 to 3:30. So that is the times that I gotta put in for this. And I started yesterday. That's what's making me go 4 days this week is because where I started yesterday, but I was only here from like 10 o'clock yesterday to 1 o'clock. So, and then obviously that, I'll show you guys that, my thing for the test that I done yesterday, and then my roster where I'm enrolled, or basically enrolled now. So like I said, I went out and bought a binder, so I just got a highlighter, a pen, two number 2 pencils, my lead pencil here, a regular 2-pocket folder to put some like homework and stuff in. This is the student folder checklist that they gave me yesterday. Yesterday's wasn't really that hard, and then the only thing I have in here in the back right there is just some WIC papers where I had a WIC appointment today. Actually, a while ago. And then also yesterday they give me a plain green notebook, so I can have for like scratch paper and stuff. And then this folder right here contains all of my stuff, which I got to come in every day and sign in and sign out, like what I am here, what I am not here, my test scores from yesterday, the learning needs and stuff, the intake information where I enrolled myself, that thingy, and the thing, the how may they help you thing, like if I need gas or something, like a voucher for gas or something to come back and forth, they'll give me so much for that. And that is actually what I'm currently doing right now. As you guys can see, I'm actually fixing ready to start testing, which I'm on the social studies part today. They also give me a calculator today. So yeah, and that's basically really all I'm doing, is just working on getting my GED and everything. I know I said on the selfie yesterday that I was working flow, because I put it down like that because I like the way the picture looked, because it looked like I was in my own little office. And when I said workflow, it, you know, so I wanted to make this video so everybody can just watch it and get an understanding on what I'm doing, so I won't have to constantly sit here, take my break from testing and talk back to you guys. So that is basically all I'm doing, is because I'm working on getting my GED, and then I want to get my permit, and then hopefully when I get this GED thing done, is actually get an actual job, because but I'm gonna get off here and let you guys go so I can start testing before they actually think that I'm just in here playing or not testing. So I will see you guys in my next video. I know it wasn't too much of a long explaining video, but I had to talk quiet and do it kind of fast. So I love you guys. Give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of me actually getting my GED and everything. I'm happy that I'm getting my GED, but in a way it's like, oh my god. Yeah, because I only have to do it 3 days a week, which is actually a good thing. So yeah, and if you guys are going to be wondering where she's going to be at my mom and dad's while working on this. And if babe don't go to work, she's going to be with him at the house, apartment, same thing. So I got that already under control. I'm giving dad gas money and stuff, knowing I don't have to, but he's taking time out of his precious day just to come get me and everything. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be a cooking video that me and mom did the other day that I finally got her to do with me. So yeah, I'm going to start testing. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.